Okay. I've got just one of these little ones. I'm just going to twist it off. This is just a little holder. It's like a little tree, call it. It's a holder that has all of these plugs on it. I'm just going to pull one off. And that's what it looks like. See, and I just push this end right there into this pipe. But before I do that, I'll get this clean, and I'm going to cut it off. I've got some wire cutters, electrical wire cutters. I'm going to cut that off, straighten it out, and then I've got a pair of pliers, so I'm just going to hold this and put it right in there. Just like that. And that should keep that from leaking. And I'm probably going to put that underneath the ground, maybe to there, something like that. And I'll cover that back up and just let some of it stick out. And this is only under the ground a couple inches. Let's see, I can just do something like that. Put that under there. Make sure I don't cover up those. Push that down there. Oh, I don't know what that was. Like that. Okay. And I'll just leave this in because I'm not sure where I want to leave that, and I might let this stick up out of the ground until I decide what I want to do in this area, so I know exactly where that end is. Okay, that's all there is to it. After I turn the water on, we'll check this end right there. We'll check that as well after I turn the water on. But before I do that, I'm going to do something else. We're going to come over here, and I'm going to get you right down there. I'm going to lower my tripod down because I want to take that end off. And I'm not quite sure, oops, not quite sure if I can fix this end or not, but I'm going to try. And it's really hard to pull the ends off, okay? So I know it sticks in about that far. Well, I'm just going to cut it right there. I can tell I'm beyond that because I don't think I can feel that right there. I just kind of pinch it to make sure it's nice and big back, and now I'm going to try to pinch this off with my pliers without breaking that end, if I can. There. See, I pulled that off because I kind of ripped it off like that, see? And this end is still looks okay. I'm blowing on it. It seems like it's going through, but what I can do, see there, what I can do is I got a little piece of wire I carry around in my nail bag. This is a little holder that it used to be for some earplugs with a little plastic long deal, and I cut the neck thing off, and I put it in there. I've got little screws in there, some other stuff. And this used to be my little tool to fix ceiling fan pull chains. I had a little hook on there, see that? And I would fish it up in there when the chain would break, fish it up there and pull on it, pop it. And sometimes I could fix ceiling fans if they were stuck in low or medium. I wanted it on high, I could pull it like low, medium, high, off, low, medium, high, off. So if I determined it was in the medium speed, all I would have to do was click it once. If it was in the low speed, I'd have to click it once for medium, twice for high. And I would do that for people who would pull the chains out. See, that just barely fits in there, and I took this off of a little what was it? A paper clip, just a little baby paper clip. And it works good for stuff like this. And I don't know if this is gonna work any better. If it doesn't, I'll go ahead and throw this away. Feels like it's going, like I can pull on it or blow on it. Okay, we'll soon find out if it's enough. If it's not, we'll make that determination together. If it's not, then I'll take it back off and I'll put a new bubbler on the end, and I'll chuck this one, I'll throw it away. Okay. But for now, it seems to be clear. The pipe end seems to be clear. I can take this and push it back on there. There. Okay. There. Now I'm ready to turn the water back on. Let's see what happens. I've turned the water on, but sometimes, especially these drip are in the backyard, and you'll have air in them and stuff before the water starts shooting out. Okay? So you can hear them. See? I can tell that the water's coming through. See, this one hasn't come through yet because there's still air in the lines that are coming out. That's coming out. And once the air comes out, then it will start dripping, see? Okay. I'm still going to give this a second, but it doesn't look like anything's happening here, does it? And this one's dripping a little bit. We'll come over, and I want to see about how much these are dripping. Okay. I want that other one to drip not like these. Okay. I come over, and this one, it's just not dripping, is it? This one's not coming out very well either. Look at that, hardly anything. Now, these trees are still nice and green. Look how nice and green this one is. But I'd like to get that one flowing a little bit more. And this one just is not going whatsoever. So that tells me I got to take that end off. And want to make sure that water is coming through here, that this isn't clogged up somewhere else. What we can do a couple different things. But what I can do right now is cut the end off. Let's see if we get water spewing out of this pipe. We should. Then I can go around and turn it off, because the other way to test it would be to pull this off, and then the water's going to be blowing out of here anyways, right? So theory has it, if I cut this off, I should get a long stream of water out of here. Okay. Ugh. Sure enough, look at that. See there? Look at that. I've got water all right. So that tells me that this end is no good. It was plugged up, and so I'm gonna have to replace it with a new one. Time to shut the water back off.